Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix we will back soon, please try again later. So guys, when you try to sign in to Apple developer and you will see this type of error again and again, I will show you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you have to go back, and after going to back you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it down. From here you have to click on general, and now you have to scroll it down. From here check your VPN connection. If you have connected your VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and now you need to scroll it down, and after this you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings, and now you need to go back. So guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and from here you have to click on screen time and click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to check that, and you need to log in again your account and check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to go back, open your settings again, click on general, and after this click on iPhone storage, and from here you need to find Apple developer app. So guys, as you will see, find it, and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again, and now your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then you need to wait for 3 to 4 hours, and after waiting your problem will be fixed. And after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, then you need to contact with your Apple support team, and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.